Here with our birthdays and anniversaries, but never too late to wish Jackson a big birthday. He actually got to celebrate in 2020 for the big number 2. And so as we turn the clock, Jackson, I'm going to go ahead and carry your birthday into this week, buddy. He's in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Rowan Miller turning 10 years old this year. Birthday back from the 31st. Hope it's a great one and have a great year in 2021.
In Maltbury, Cameron Groves, sharp-dressed dude right there. He's turning the big 11. Happy birthday, Cameron.
All right, and if Jackson was celebrating, then it's time then for Trevor to be celebrating. That's pretty awesome. Trevor is 26 years old in Pittsburgh.
Julie Combs, she's celebrating her 37th birthday. Miss Julie, a very happy birthday to you in Galena.
Sherry Villigan turning the big 5-0 in Oswego. Birthday last Friday.
And Linda and Ralph Lang, they celebrated 2 decades. I guarantee you that's a candid picture. Something's going on in that household right there. Happy birthday to Linda and Ralph Jr. in Joplin.
All right. And we have Charlie and Diana Miserel celebrating their 39th anniversary in Pittsburgh. Their anniversary back on the 30th of December.
And who that is? That's our own John Howe, numbers genius extraordinaire and our national sales manager. John, thank you for all you do and a very happy birthday to you.
All right. Our birthday list goes on. Gail Dagonia and Joplin, birthday wishes going out to you. Jim and Yvonne Colton are celebrating their 48th anniversary in Hepler, Kansas. Anniversary actually on the 30th. Larry and Debbie Bunce are celebrating 39 years of wedded bliss in Baxter Springs over the weekend. And just yesterday, Debbie Bunce turned 62 years old.
Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Now, that's where you can send them into. KOMNewsNow.com/birthdays. Go to our website right there. We make it extremely simple for you to get those pictures on air. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up to receive special deals from local businesses. Just go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.